Oh, dude, why? Just why? Now my whole thing's off. You just do the intro now.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is how it goes.
Yeah.
What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to another day in the life of Tucker Doss.
What's up, boys and girls? Tucker Doss here, and it is another exciting day to be alive. Today we are continuing our adventure in the oh. That looks great. I'm sure, oh, was I just completely, oh God. There, that's a lot better. Today, we are continuing our adventure through the Alabama hills. As you can see, it is a winter wonderland. We're gonna see where the day takes us because you can't go wrong when you're in the Alabama hills. Let's do it. Oh my God, look at this. You can sort of see the mountains right there. I'm gonna try to send up the drone here in a second and see if I can get above the clouds because the clouds aren't high at all and it could look really freaking cool. So we're gonna try to go up the mountain a little bit. We'll see how far we can go though. It's probably close. Look at this. All right, we're about to gog up and step into the virtual reality zone and get some crazy shots of that, hopefully. We'll try anyways. The biggest problem I have right now is this battery for my drone. All of them are trash, so this lasts like 1 full minute of flight time. Wish me luck. This is it. We're live. Holy f***. All right, I have to take it back. It's gonna crash! I have to get new batteries so bad. This is f***ed up. That was literally everything. I couldn't even give it throttle. It's just not surprising anymore. That's why you're not getting like the crazy reaction from me, is because it crashes every time I fly it somehow. It's ridiculous. Beautiful. Ah! The road's closed, so we couldn't get to where I wanted to go, which is over there with the FPV drone, because I was gonna get some like stuff, and I wanted to be in the clouds for it, but the road's closed. Oh, the car! Ah, the car's just sliding! Oh my God! Oh, it's literally in park. Oh my God! You couldn't really get the full extent of what was exactly happening, but that was still epic. Anyways, I'm gonna set up the drone because this is really cool.
Do you know me at all? You think that you can stand on the fall. Domino, all you want. You're better off when
We're gogged up, baby. Let's go. Woo! Okay, we just finished shooting River's video, and then I shot a video for a company I'm working for with Milo and Scout. So we have a lot going on. It was so much, but I mean, look at the view. It is gorgeous. There's one last thing I have to do that I can't help but doing when I see snow before I end this vlog, and that is this. Perfect. Damn, look at that. All right, ready, Scout? Go. My name is Tucker Doss. We do daily vlogs every single day. Doing rats like this. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. And have a great rest of your day because life's too short not to. We'll see you next time, baby. Peace. I mean, are you kidding me? We're like on a volcano right now.